In today's video, I will walk you through how to add text in video using Filmora. Create a new project in Filmora, then import your video by clicking Import or dragging it into the Media panel. Drag the video onto the timeline to start editing. Next, click the Titles tab at the top. Browse the available text templates or use the search bar to find a style you like. Drag your chosen title onto a track above your video in the timeline. Double-click the text clip on the timeline to edit it. Replace the default text with your own. You can also adjust the font, size, color, alignment, and other available text settings. To position the text, drag it in the preview window until it's where you want it. Resize it if needed using the corner handles. To control how long the text appears, drag the beginning or end of the text clip on the timeline. This allows the text to appear and disappear at the right time in your video. Adding text is a simple way to highlight important information, introduce topics, or make your videos easier to follow. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one.